Good morning to all. In the U and ICP, we are discussing the uh, types of boiler. So, in which we previously discussed the locomotive uh, locomotive tube boilers, and then next second is Lancashire boiler. So, which is another type of high productions or high ratio Lancashire boiler. So let us discuss various various diameters, various parts of the Lancashire boiler constructions, all these things like advantages, disadvantages, and applications. So let's start. So here, in show and figure, here is the Lancashire boiler, and bottom part it will be supporting the support, okay, horizontal support, and the vessels in the form of cylindrical vessel having a horizontal positions. So specifications of Lancashire boiler. So specification is given that diameter of cell it should be taken as a 2 से 3 मीटर तक, length of shell like a 7 to 9 meter, maximum working pressure that is 16 bar. So head should be proper head should be selecting for the working pressure. Steam capacity is 9000 kg per hour. Okay, steam the let's see the capacity. This capacity is the 9000 kg per hour. Efficiency is the 50 to 70% of the process. So next is front view, top view, and side view. So the front view, we see that front view as per the various part is indicating that. So let's do at the right hand side. So this is the damper, will be removing the or the using this we can entering the material. There is the bottom fuel is going the upward direction. Here is the fire hall, and this one is at the top. This one is a feed valve, which is at the left hand side. Bottom is blow off clock, then gate valve, stop valve, safety valve, low water alarm, circular cell. Okay, so this is the front view of the Lancashire boiler. Then next is the top view. Here is the top view. There is an fluid passes like a fire and then fire tube. Okay, and this is the side fluid. Slide fluid is the in the Lancashire boiler. Then third and the side view is there is the given that once is a fire tube, both are the fire tubes, and side tubes are given here. And here is the bottom fluid. Okay, and the construction is like a gusset plates. Next is that part of Lancashire boiler. So start with the left hand side, which is a chimney, cylindrical shell, main hall, feed check valve, grate valve, blow off valve, firebox, ash pit, fire door, water level gauge, pressure gauge, safety valve, steam stop valve, which is the main part of the Lancashire boiler. So first grate contain the fuel for the combustion. ग्रेट के अंदर क्या होता है, फ्यूल को भरा जाता है कंबंशन के लिए. फीड वाल्व इज यूज टू एंटर फ्यूल मटेरियल इनसाइड द ग्रेट. ફીડ વાલ્વ દ્વારા મટીરિયલને એન્ટર કરવામાં આવે છે ગેટની અંદર. Fire hall. Fire hall is used to introduce the initiating the fire spark. ફાયર હોલની અંદર સ્પાર્ક કરવામાં આવે છે જેથી કરીને ફ્યુલ સળગી ઉઠે. Safety valve is used to release the pressure when it is crosses the safety limit of the boiler. બોઇલર જ્યારે એની સેફ્ટી લિમિટ બોઇલરની અંદરનું પ્રેશર જ્યારે સેફ્ટી લેવલથી વધી જશે ત્યારે ઓટોમેટિકલી સેફ્ટી વાલ્વ ઓપન થઈ જશે. એઝ પર એક્ઝામ્પલ ઇટ ઇઝ ફોર ધી commercial uses, it is the pressure cooker. Bottom flue. Flue presents at the bottom of the cell and it takes the hot gases from the front to back of the boiler. Flue present, that means bottom of the cell in which there is a hot gases passes through, in which is side flue represent that both side of the cell and take hot gases from the back to the main outlet of the boiler. સાઇડ ફ્લૂની અંદર બંને સાઈડ શેલની બંને સાઈડ શું હોય છે, ફ્લૂ હોય છે જેમાંથી હોટ ગેસીસ પાસ કરવામાં આવે છે અને બેક ટુ ધ મેઇન સ્ટ્રીમ આઉટલેટ તરફ જતું હોય ત્યાં પસાર કરવામાં આવે છે. લો વોટર અલાર્મ એટલે કે અલાર્મ વિચ ઇન્ફોર્મ અસ વેન વોટર લેવલ ઇઝ લો ધેન સેફ્ટી લાઇન. જ્યારે પણ વોટર લેવલ ખૂબ પાણીનું લેવલ ખૂબ ઓછું થઈ જાય ત્યારે શું કરવામાં આવે છે, સેફ્ટી લાઇન કન્સિડરિંગ માટે વોટર અલાર્મ મૂકવામાં આવે છે. ડેમ્પર્સ. ફ્લો ઓફ gases from side flue to the chimney is controlled by sliding doors located at the end of the side flue. Blow off lock for the removal of muds and sediments, and blow off cork is provided at the bottom of the front section of boiler. બ્લો ઓફની અંદર જે મડ છે અથવા તો જે વેસ્ટેજ છે, સેડિમેન્ટેશન પ્રોડક્ટ છે, એસ છે, એને રિમૂવ કરવા માટે પ્રોવાઈડ કરવામાં આવે છે બોઇલરના નીચેના ભાગમાં. ફ્યુઝિબલ પ્લગ. Fusible plug is used to prevent the coils tube of the boiler are overheating. બોઇલરની જે બોઇલરની જે ટ્યુબ છે એને ઓવરહીટિંગ થતાં બચાવે છે. Extinguishing the fire when the water level is lower than a particular level. એક્સટિંક્શન ફાયર લેવલ જ્યારે પણ લોઅર થઈ જાય ત્યારે શું કરવામાં આવે છે અને એને ઓટોમેટિકલી ડિસ્ટ્રોય કરે છે. Next is that mounting. The pressure gauge and water level indicate and the feed valve are provided at the front of the boiler on the front side. The blow off cork is provided at the bottom and the fusible plugs are mounted on the top of the main flue just over the grate. And the anti-priming pipe, safety valve and main hole are provided on the top of the boiler cell. What is the advantages of Lancashire boiler? Advantages of Lancashire boiler: due to 3 passes of flue gases, the heating surface area per unit volume of boiler is large. Lancashire બોઇલરની અંદર જે ફ્લૂ ગેસ પાસ થવાની જે જગ્યા છે એ કેટલી છે, 3 ટ્યુબ છે. ઓકે, તો એના દ્વારા મળતું હીટ ટ્રાન્સફર ખૂબ જ વધારે હોય છે. સો હીટ ટ્રાન્સફર પર યુનિટ એરિયા ઓફ પર યુનિટ વોલ્યુમ ઇઝ વેરી large. The fluctuation in load can be easily met by this boiler due to the large reservoir. Fluctuation in load can be easily met this boiler due to the large reservoir. Large reservoir હોય તો એની અંદર ફ્લક્ચ્યુએશન્સ ને ઇઝીલી મેન્ટેન કરી શકાય છે. It is an easy operation, low maintenance cost, easy to clean and inspect. Fourth, by use of economizer and superheater, maximum heat or flue gases is utilized, so efficiency of boiler can be increased. Disadvantages of Lancashire boiler: maximum working pressure is limited to 16 bars, no more than 16 bar it will be used. Due to the brickwork, more floor area is required. It requires a larger space. Okay. Third, response of pressure build-up is least. Build-up pressure થવા માટેનો જે રિસ્પોન્સ છે એ ખૂબ ઓછો છે. The furnace is inside the tube, therefore the grate area is restricted. Use of Lancashire boiler: steam turbine, marines, locomotive, textile industry, paper and sugar industry, tire industry, chemical industry, breweries industries. Okay, so at where which is used the Lancashire boiler. So there is a next topic is that reciprocating compressor. Air reciprocating air compressor જે શું વર્ક કરતા હોય છે, they are working based on the movement of the positive displacement pump. Okay, so which is a reciprocating compressor. So let's see it. Introductions. Principle on which compressor work. A compressor is a mechanical device that increases the pressure of a gas by reducing its volume. The fluid here is the generally air, since liquid are theoretically incompressible. Okay, as per we know that the compressible fluid is the air is a or a gas is a compressible fluid, or liquid is generally incompressible fluid. So for the compressor is mechanical device which is increase the pressure by reducing its volume. वॉल्यूम को रिड्यूस करके उसका प्रेशर बढ़ाता है. ठीक है. एंड जनरली एयर इज द used for the compressions. So George Bathurst of England designed the first motorized air compressor in 1799 and used in the mining. So we can see that the photograph over here, so which is two pistons are available. Okay, so which creates the compressions. Classifications of compressions. So air compressors. So there are mainly two types of compressor. First is that a reciprocating compressor and second is the rotary compressor. Okay. So rotary compressor generally we see in the simple garage like garages જ્યાં આપણે શું કરીએ છીએ, જે કમ્પ્રેસર હોય છે એની અંદર એર હવા ભરેલી હોય છે, બરાબર, જે આપણે બાઇક્સની અંદર કારની અંદર આપણે ફિટ કરીએ છીએ. તો એ જે કમ્પ્રેસર હોય છે રોટરી કમ્પ્રેસર્સ હોય છે. એન્ડ રેસિપ્રોકેટિંગ compressors mostly used for the high compressors, mostly used for the purpose of for the high pressurized services. જેમાં પ્રેશર વધારે હોય એમાં એ એપ્લિકેશન પર યુઝ કરી શકે છે. રેસિપ્રોકેટિંગ compressors are two stage, single stage operation and multi-stage operations. Okay, so detailed study about these reciprocating compressors in the next lecture, and then we discuss the single, multi-stage, and also we discuss after the rotary compressors.